In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete roles from your organization. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Organization. You should arrive at your organization's settings page. Go to your new top menu bar and select Roles. From the list of roles to the left, choose the role you would like to edit. I'll click on Test Role. I cannot change the type of role. If I want to change this to a location instead of enterprise role, I need to just start over, delete this one, and create a new role altogether. I can change the name. Maybe I'll put something like Test Role 2.0. Then I can change the role permissions I've given these users. Let's say that I want these users to be more schedulers, but not the people who deal with time clocks on and off and employee payment. Then I will scroll down and choose time. Then I'll scroll back up. Now in the column to the right, I'm only seeing the sections and features that are related to time. Because I don't want these users messing around with time, I have someone else doing that. I will go ahead and clear all of these by clicking the Clear button. That will disable all of those time features. I could have changed any of the section and features I wanted. I could add them, I could take them away, do any of those edits here. I can also add or delete users. If you're happy with your edits, click Save. Now those changes to this role have been saved, and a green save bar has appeared next to the Save button, letting me know when I last saved this page. That's how you can edit a role in TeamWork 5. Let's say that I want to delete this role. Before I can do that, I have to remove my users so the role is no longer in use. So I'll click Remove. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to remove that user. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And I will do the same thing for the other user. Now I can choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this role. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that role has been deleted. Notice it is no longer in the list to the left. When you're looking at the list to the left, the ones with the little crown symbols next to them are the ones that have enterprise level permissions. The ones that don't have a symbol are the ones that are location specific permissions. That's how you can edit and delete roles in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to view and add users.